If you are watching this, you know you're in Antra's Zook. Today we have a full moon. Apparently it's called the blue moon. I don't know. I just read it somewhere. And we're gonna make a very sneaky video today. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. So basically this is a male bottle gourd flower. Okay, I'm gonna just take some pollen. Hopefully I've got some here. Yes. And this is a female bottle gourd flower. I'm gonna just gently drop in. And hopefully I'll be able to pollinate and make one bottle gourd out of this. So if you like what you see on this channel, please do subscribe and let me know in a comment below how you enjoy watching us. Cheers!